Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing Queen's Fun to School, so let's get started. Hey Gigi, I forgot something in my bag. I need to go get it. I got some slime. I got a big slime. Ooh, can I put some? No.
I think you did it.
Can't put some, sorry. Then I'm going. I'll get some help. Take it there. I want more. No more. Then I'm going to tell. You get no more. Teacher, Alvin has gone big trouble. He makes fun. I'm going to throw it away. But I was playing with it too. So he put glasses on to look all smart. How dare you're gonna get in trouble. Big trouble. I told you I would tell. I hope you enjoy. I didn't know what to do, so I decided to do this, and I hope you enjoy. This slime looks like it's my sister's slime.